Welcome to Nature Beach Resort, where your journey to paradise begins. Please scan the QR code on your screen or refer to the description below to secure your exclusive booking. Nestled within the emerald embrace of Koh Chang, Thailand, this sanctuary offers a profound sense of tranquility, designed specifically for those who seek to reconnect with nature while enjoying the comforts of refined coastal living. As you arrive, the gentle rhythm of the Gulf of Thailand greets you, inviting you to leave the complexities of the modern world behind and step into a realm of pure, unhurried serenity. Nature Beach Resort is an intimate collection of 55 beautifully appointed rooms, each meticulously crafted to serve as your private refuge. Whether you find yourself in a cozy standard room or one of our more spacious suites, you will be enveloped in a soothing ambience of tasteful decor and modern elegance. Every window serves as a frame for perfection, offering breathtaking views of lush, sun-dappled tropical gardens or the sparkling, azure waters that stretch toward the horizon. Here, rest is not merely a necessity, but a curated experience, ensuring every night is spent in deep, restorative peace. From the moment you check in at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, our attentive and warm staff is dedicated to anticipating your every desire, ensuring your stay is as seamless as it is memorable. For families, the resort offers a welcoming haven where memories are made. We are delighted to offer our youngest travelers, aged 2 to 6, a stay that is entirely complimentary. Start your mornings with a leisurely breakfast, perhaps watching the sunlight dance upon the waves, before spending your day exploring the island or simply basking in the quiet luxury of our beachfront location. With complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi and convenient parking, every modern convenience is seamlessly integrated into your tropical escape. As your time in this idyllic paradise draws to a close, we invite you to savor every final moment of relaxation before your midday departure. Allow us to host your next great escape and provide the restorative sanctuary you deserve. To begin planning your unforgettable stay at Nature Beach Resort, please scan the QR code provided or visit the link in the description below.